Welcome to Whiton Hall, a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Every tenant in Whiton Hall has their own private bedroom, and there are shared bathrooms and a shared kitchen on each floor. Today we're going to see apartment 304, a south-facing room on the third floor. Let's head on in. Every room in Whiton Hall has 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser. You'll also have a microwave and a mini fridge. One great feature of this building is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. This apartment has 3 dormer windows facing southeast, south, and southwest, so you get lots of natural light, even on a cloudy day. And finally, a large closet, plenty of storage space. Rent for Whiton Hall rooms includes all utilities: heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Laundry facilities and a bike storage room are available in the basement. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton Hall 304. Call us today for availability.